Welcome back to the channel, fellow firearm enthusiasts. If you've been thinking about buying your first handgun or looking for an affordable pistol to sharpen your skills at the range, July 2026 is a great time to shop. The American market is full of new entry-level handguns that deliver impressive reliability, modern features, and excellent performance without breaking the bank. In today's video, we're grouping some of the best budget handguns by price range, making it easier to find the right option, whether your budget is under $250, $300, $400, or a little more. If you enjoy honest firearm reviews and practical buying guides, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below telling us which budget handgun you choose or which one deserves a spot on this list. Your support helps us create more content just like this. Now, let's dive into the best affordable handguns available in America this July 2026. Hi-Point C9. If your goal is simply to own a dependable handgun without spending a fortune, the Hi-Point C9 continues to be one of the most affordable entry points on the American market in July 2026, with a typical street price ranging from around $170 to just under $200. It costs less than many modern optics and still gives new shooters a reliable platform for learning the fundamentals. That low price is exactly why the C9 earns its place in our best budget trainers category. It is not designed to compete with premium pistols loaded with advanced features, but it offers a straightforward shooting experience that helps beginners develop safe gun handling, trigger control, sight alignment, and recoil management before moving on to more expensive firearms. Chambered in 9mm, the Hi-Point C9 uses a simple blowback operating system and feeds from an 8-round magazine. It features a 3.5-inch barrel, an overall length of approximately 6.75 inches, and weighs about 29 ounces unloaded. That weight may seem excessive for a compact handgun, but it actually works in the shooter's favor by absorbing a noticeable amount of recoil. New shooters often discover that the pistol feels softer than many lighter, polymer-framed alternatives, allowing longer practice sessions with less fatigue. The grip is large enough for most hands. The controls are uncomplicated, and field stripping is rarely something beginners need to worry about during their first few range trips. The slide may not feel as refined as higher-priced competitors, and the trigger has a long pull with a somewhat mushy break, but neither issue prevents the pistol from performing its primary job. Reliability has improved significantly over the years, especially when quality factory ammunition is used, and the fixed barrel design often delivers better practical accuracy than many people expect at common defensive distances. One of the biggest advantages of the C9 is that it allows first-time buyers to invest more money in ammunition and range time instead of spending every dollar on the firearm itself. After all, becoming a better shooter comes from consistent practice rather than owning the most expensive handgun in the display case. Of course, there are compromises. The pistol is noticeably heavier than most modern carry guns. Its finish is fairly basic. Aftermarket support is limited compared with Glock-style platforms, and the overall appearance is more functional than attractive. It is also not the easiest handgun to conceal because of its chunky slide and substantial weight. Even so, if your primary objective is building confidence, learning proper shooting techniques, and gaining experience with a dependable budget pistol, those drawbacks become much easier to accept considering the incredibly low asking price. For brand new shooters, students attending their first handgun class, or anyone searching for an inexpensive range companion, the Hi-Point C9 still represents one of the strongest values available under the $200 mark. It may never win awards for style or innovation, but it proves that affordable firearms can still provide reliable performance where it matters most. If your budget simply cannot stretch any further, this handgun offers a practical starting point and leaves plenty of room in your wallet for the ammunition you'll need to become a better shooter. KelTec P17. If your main goal is becoming a better shooter while spending as little money as possible on ammunition, few handguns can match the value offered by the KelTec P17. As one of the lightest and most affordable rimfire pistols available in the American market during July 2026, it has become a favorite among first-time shooters, recreational plinkers, and experienced firearm owners looking for an inexpensive training companion. With a typical street price ranging from around $180 to $240, the P17 delivers features that are surprisingly generous for its price class. Chambered in 22 LR, it ships with 3 16-round magazines, giving shooters plenty of trigger time before needing to reload. The pistol features a 3.8-inch threaded barrel, an overall length of approximately 6.7 inches, and weighs only about 14 ounces unloaded. That incredibly light weight makes it comfortable to carry around the range for hours, while the almost non-existent recoil allows new shooters to focus entirely on developing proper grip, trigger control, breathing, and sight picture instead of fighting muzzle rise. For anyone just entering the shooting world, mastering these fundamentals with a rimfire pistol often builds confidence much faster than immediately jumping into a centerfire handgun. Another reason the KelTec P17 stands out is its user-friendly design. The slide is remarkably easy to rack, making it an excellent option for younger shooters, seniors, or anyone with reduced hand strength. The fiber optic front sight provides a bright aiming reference in daylight, while the factory threaded barrel gives owners the flexibility to install a suppressor where legally permitted. Despite its budget-friendly price, the trigger is surprisingly crisp with a short reset that encourages accurate follow-up shots. These qualities make the pistol not only enjoyable for casual range sessions, but also useful as a low-cost trainer for shooters who regularly carry larger defensive handguns. The ability to fire hundreds of rounds of inexpensive 22 LR ammunition in a single afternoon allows shooters to refine their skills without putting a major dent in their wallet. Like every rimfire pistol, however, the P17 is not without compromises. Reliability depends heavily on ammunition quality, and premium high-velocity loads generally produce the most consistent results. The lightweight polymer construction does not feel as solid as more expensive metal-framed pistols, and while the ergonomics are comfortable for most users, larger hands may find the grip slightly compact. This is also not a handgun intended to replace a dedicated defensive pistol. Instead, it excels as a training platform, introducing new shooters to firearms safety, while allowing experienced owners to maintain their fundamentals for a fraction of the cost of shooting 9mm. For anyone building skills from the ground up, that combination of affordability, low recoil, generous magazine capacity, and inexpensive ammunition is difficult to ignore. The KelTec P17 proves that becoming a more accurate shooter does not require an expensive firearm or costly range sessions. Sometimes, the smartest investment is the handgun that encourages you to practice more often, and few pistols accomplish that better than this lightweight rimfire trainer. SCCY CPX2 Gen 3. Looking for an affordable handgun that bridges the gap between a simple range trainer and a practical everyday defensive pistol, the SCCY CPX2 Gen 3 deserves a closer look. Frequently found on the American market in July 2026 for between $180 and $240. It remains one of the least expensive 9mm concealed carry pistols available from a major manufacturer. That combination of a compact size and budget-friendly price makes it an appealing choice for first-time handgun owners who want to practice regularly while also owning something capable of personal protection. Unlike many entry-level pistols that focus almost entirely on reducing cost, the CPX2 Gen 3 is designed to offer everyday practicality without asking buyers to spend hundreds more on premium features they may not need. The pistol features a 3.1-inch barrel, an overall length of approximately 5.7 inches, weighs about 15 ounces unloaded, and feeds from a 10-round magazine. Those dimensions make it small enough for concealed carry while remaining large enough for comfortable practice sessions at the range. The lightweight polymer frame keeps overall weight to a minimum, making it easy to carry throughout the day, while the textured grip helps maintain control during rapid fire despite the pistol's compact size. Recoil is naturally sharper than larger full-size handguns because of its light weight, but with proper technique, it remains very manageable for new shooters who are willing to spend time developing their fundamentals. One characteristic that immediately stands out is the pistol's long, double-action-only trigger. The pull is noticeably heavier and longer than many striker-fired competitors, which some shooters may initially find challenging. However, that trigger also encourages deliberate shooting habits and reinforces proper trigger control during practice. Many instructors appreciate that new shooters learn to press the trigger smoothly, without anticipating recoil, a skill that transfers well to virtually every handgun they may own in the future. Reliability has steadily improved through successive generations, and the latest Gen 3 model benefits from updates that enhance overall durability and consistency with quality factory ammunition. While it may not have the refined trigger, optics-ready slide, or extensive aftermarket support found on more expensive pistols, it performs its intended role surprisingly well considering its price point. Of course, there are limitations buyers should understand. The long trigger pull may not appeal to shooters accustomed to modern striker-fired pistols. The sights are relatively basic, and aftermarket accessories remain limited compared with platforms like the Glock or PSA Dagger. The slim grip may also feel a little small for shooters with very large hands. Even so, the CPX2 Gen 3 offers genuine value by combining concealability, respectable capacity, and dependable performance in a package that costs little more than many dedicated training pistols. For someone purchasing their very first 9mm handgun on a strict budget, it provides an opportunity to learn the fundamentals at the range, while also serving as a practical option for everyday carry when paired with quality defensive ammunition. It may not be the flashiest pistol on the shelf, but it proves that a modest budget can still buy a reliable handgun capable of doing exactly what most new owners need it to do. Ruger EC9S. For new shooters who want an affordable handgun from a well-established American manufacturer, the Ruger EC9S continues to be one of the safest choices in July 2026. With a typical street price between $230 and $290, it offers a proven balance of reliability, simplicity, and everyday practicality without pushing beyond an entry-level budget. While many inexpensive pistols try to impress buyers with extra features, the EC9S focuses on doing the basics exceptionally well. It is built for shooters who want a dependable firearm that is easy to operate, easy to carry, and simple to maintain, while they continue developing their shooting skills. Chambered in 9mm, the pistol features a 3.12-inch barrel, an overall length of approximately 6 inches, weighs just under 18 ounces unloaded, and comes with a 7-round single-stack magazine. Those dimensions make it extremely comfortable for concealed carry, while still providing enough grip for controlled shooting during regular practice sessions. The slim profile fits naturally in smaller hands, making it especially appealing to first-time owners who often struggle with the thicker grips found on double-stack pistols. Although its lightweight frame produces a little more felt recoil than heavier handguns, the recoil remains predictable and manageable with proper technique. Many shooters actually appreciate learning on a pistol like the EC9S because it reinforces good grip fundamentals and proper follow-through without becoming uncomfortable to shoot. Ruger designed the EC9S with simplicity in mind, and that philosophy is immediately noticeable the moment you pick it up. The controls are straightforward, the striker-fired trigger is consistent from shot to shot, and the fixed low-profile sights provide a clean sight picture for defensive distances. The pistol also benefits from Ruger's long-standing reputation for producing durable firearms that continue running even after years of regular use. Field stripping is uncomplicated, routine maintenance requires very little effort, and replacement magazines are widely available across the American market. While it may not include optics-ready capability or interchangeable backstraps like some newer competitors, its dependable design has earned the trust of countless concealed carry permit holders over the years. There are a few compromises that come with the EC9S. The 7-round capacity is lower than many modern micro-compact pistols. The sights are integral to the slide rather than easily replaceable, and the trigger, while perfectly serviceable, is not as refined as some higher-priced alternatives. Shooters planning to spend long days at the range may also prefer a larger pistol with a fuller grip and slightly softer recoil. However, for someone searching for an affordable handgun that transitions naturally from the training range to everyday concealed carry, those trade-offs are relatively minor. The Ruger EC9S succeeds because it delivers dependable performance without unnecessary complexity or inflated pricing. It teaches new owners the importance of mastering the fundamentals, while providing a firearm they can confidently continue carrying long after those early training sessions are over. If reliability, ease of use, and trusted American craftsmanship matter more to you than having the latest premium features, the EC9S remains one of the strongest budget-friendly options available today. Taurus G3. Best budget trainers category is a handgun that has completely changed the conversation about affordable firearms over the past few years. The Taurus G3 has earned a reputation for delivering features, capacity, and reliability that were once reserved for pistols costing significantly more. With a typical street price between $240 and $300 across the American market in July 2026, it offers tremendous value for new shooters who want a full-size handgun that feels comfortable to learn on while still being capable enough for home defense and recreational shooting. For many first-time buyers, the G3 represents the point where budget pricing begins to meet real long-term ownership potential. Chambered in 9mm, the Taurus G3 features a 4-inch barrel, an overall length of approximately 7.3 inches, weighs about 25 ounces unloaded, and comes standard with a generous 17-round magazine, with 15-round magazines also available depending on local regulations. The full-size grip provides excellent control, allowing new shooters to establish a solid two-handed grip while reducing the effects of recoil compared with smaller compact pistols. Its balanced weight and ergonomic design make extended range sessions comfortable, giving beginners more opportunities to build confidence without quickly becoming fatigued. The textured grip offers secure control, even with sweaty hands, while the undercut trigger guard allows a naturally high grip that helps minimize muzzle flip during faster follow-up shots. One of the strongest selling points of the Taurus G3 is its striker-fired trigger system. Compared with many budget handguns in the same price range, the trigger delivers a relatively smooth take-up, a clean break, and a short, positive reset that encourages faster and more consistent shooting. The steel sights are durable and easy to acquire, and the accessory rail allows owners to mount a weapon light for home defense use if desired. Taurus has also made significant improvements in quality control over recent years, and the G3 has developed a much stronger reputation for reliability than earlier generations of the company's budget pistols. When fed quality factory ammunition and maintained properly, it performs with a level of consistency that surprises many shooters who assume an inexpensive handgun must involve major compromises. Of course, no pistol is perfect. The finish is functional rather than premium. Aftermarket support is still smaller than what you will find for Glock-compatible platforms. And while the trigger is impressive for its class, it does not quite match the refinement of more expensive competition-oriented pistols. Some shooters may also find the grip slightly large if they have particularly small hands. Even so, those limitations become difficult to criticize when considering everything the G3 delivers for well under $300. It is accurate, dependable, easy to control, and large enough to help beginners learn proper shooting fundamentals with confidence. More importantly, it remains a handgun that owners are unlikely to outgrow quickly, continuing to serve well even after thousands of rounds of practice. If you're searching for an affordable pistol that offers outstanding value without feeling like an entry-level compromise, the Taurus G3 finishes our best budget trainers category as one of the smartest purchases available in today's American handgun market. PSA Dagger Compact. As we move into our best first handguns for new owners category, the PSA Dagger Compact stands out as one of the smartest purchases for anyone ready to own a dependable defensive pistol without spending premium money. Built by Palmetto State Armory, the Dagger has become one of the hottest values on the American market in July 2026, thanks to its Glock-compatible design, impressive reliability, and unbeatable pricing. With a typical street price ranging from about $250 to $350, it delivers features that many shooters would normally expect from handguns costing far more. Chambered in 9mm, the Dagger Compact features a 4-inch barrel, an overall length of approximately 7.1 inches, weighs around 22 ounces unloaded, and accepts 15-round magazines, along with many Glock Gen 3 compatible magazines. That compatibility is one of its greatest strengths, because owners gain access to an enormous aftermarket of magazines, holsters, sights, triggers, and replacement parts. Instead of buying a pistol that limits future upgrades, new owners can gradually customize the Dagger as their experience grows. The ergonomics are another area where the pistol shines. The aggressively textured grip provides excellent control without feeling overly abrasive, while the improved grip angle feels comfortable for a wide range of hand sizes. Recoil is soft and predictable, making it easy for first-time owners to shoot accurately while building confidence. The striker-fired trigger offers a consistent pull with a positive reset, helping shooters develop proper trigger discipline during both slow-fire practice and faster follow-up shots. Many current models also feature optics-ready slides, allowing owners to add a red dot sight later without replacing the entire handgun. Reliability has become one of the Dagger's biggest selling points. Early production models experienced a few growing pains, but continuous improvements have helped establish the platform as a dependable performer when using quality magazines and factory ammunition. Field stripping is simple, maintenance is straightforward, and replacement components are inexpensive and widely available. These qualities make the pistol an excellent long-term investment for someone purchasing their very first handgun. There are still a few compromises to consider. The factory trigger, while perfectly usable, is not quite as refined as some higher-priced competitors, and overall fit and finish may not equal premium-duty pistols costing twice as much. Even so, these are relatively small criticisms considering the exceptional value being offered. For new handgun owners searching for one pistol that can handle range practice, home defense, and even concealed carry with the right holster, the PSA Dagger Compact checks nearly every important box. It combines affordability, upgrade potential, proven design, and dependable real-world performance into a package that continues to redefine what buyers should expect from a budget-friendly handgun. Taurus GX4. If your first handgun is destined for concealed carry as much as range practice, the Taurus GX4 deserves serious consideration. Since its introduction, the GX4 has become one of Taurus's biggest success stories, proving that a compact everyday carry pistol does not have to come with a premium price tag. In the American market during July 2026, the GX4 typically sells for between $250 and $330, making it one of the most affordable micro-compact pistols in its class. Despite its modest price, it offers modern features, solid reliability, and excellent shootability that make it an outstanding choice for first-time handgun owners looking for a pistol they can confidently carry every day. Chambered in 9mm, the GX4 features a 3.06-inch barrel, an overall length of approximately 6 inches, weighs just under 19 ounces unloaded, and comes with either an 11 or 13-round magazine depending on the configuration. Those dimensions strike an excellent balance between concealability and control. The grip is long enough to provide a secure hold for most shooters while remaining compact enough to disappear under light clothing. Although its lightweight frame produces more recoil than a full-size handgun, the pistol remains surprisingly easy to control thanks to its ergonomic grip texture and well-balanced design. Many new shooters are pleasantly surprised by how comfortable the GX4 feels during extended range sessions, despite its compact size. One of the strongest features of the GX4 is its trigger. The striker-fired system offers a smooth take-up, a crisp break, and a short tactile reset that encourages accurate follow-up shots. Combined with highly visible sights and natural pointing characteristics, the pistol inspires confidence even for shooters with limited experience. Taurus has also invested heavily in improving quality control over recent years, and the GX4 reflects that effort with dependable performance using quality factory ammunition. Field stripping is quick and uncomplicated, routine maintenance is simple, and the pistol has developed a reputation for reliability that has helped it compete against significantly more expensive concealed carry handguns. Of course, every compact pistol requires some compromises. The shorter grip may feel cramped for shooters with very large hands, and the lighter weight means recoil is more noticeable than larger pistols, like the Taurus G3 or PSA Dagger Compact. The aftermarket continues to grow, but still trails behind long-established platforms such as Glock. Even so, those trade-offs are minor considering everything the GX4 delivers at its price point. It offers the size needed for comfortable everyday carry without sacrificing capacity or practical accuracy, making it a handgun that owners are unlikely to replace anytime soon. For first-time buyers searching for one pistol that can handle concealed carry, home defense, and regular range practice, the Taurus GX4 delivers outstanding versatility and value. It proves that stepping into the concealed carry world no longer requires spending hundreds of extra dollars to own a dependable, modern defensive handgun. Ruger Security 9, for first-time handgun owners who appreciate a full-size feel without paying full-size prices, the Ruger Security 9 remains one of the best values on the American market in July 2026. Typically selling for between $270 and $330, this pistol offers the trusted reliability Ruger is known for, while keeping the price comfortably within reach of new buyers. Unlike many compact handguns that prioritize concealment above everything else, the Security 9 is designed to be an easy-shooting, all-around pistol. It is equally at home on the range, beside the bed for home defense, or carried with the right holster, making it an excellent first firearm for someone who wants one handgun capable of doing almost everything well. Chambered in 9mm, the Security 9 features a 4-inch barrel, an overall length of approximately 7.2 inches, weighs about 23 ounces unloaded, and comes with a 15-round magazine. The slightly larger frame gives shooters a full grip, allowing better recoil control and improved confidence during extended practice sessions. Beginners often find that the larger grip and longer sight radius make accurate shooting easier than with smaller concealed carry pistols. Recoil is soft and predictable, helping new owners focus on trigger control and sight alignment instead of fighting excessive muzzle rise. The grip texture provides a secure hold without being overly aggressive, making long days at the range comfortable even for shooters with limited experience. Ruger designed the Security 9 with simplicity and dependability in mind. The internal hammer-fired system delivers a smooth and consistent trigger pull that feels different from many striker-fired competitors, but remains easy to learn. Controls are intuitive, field stripping is straightforward, and routine maintenance requires very little effort. Ruger's reputation for building durable firearms is another major advantage, giving first-time buyers confidence that their investment will continue performing reliably for years. Factory magazines and replacement parts are easy to find, while the accessory rail allows owners to mount a weapon light for home defense if desired. There are a few compromises worth mentioning. The trigger is good, but not exceptional. The factory sights are fairly basic, and aftermarket support is not nearly as extensive as Glock-compatible platforms. The slide design is also more traditional, lacking optics-ready options found on some newer competitors. However, none of those limitations significantly affect the pistol's primary purpose. The Security 9 focuses on reliability, ease of use, and practical performance rather than chasing premium features that increase cost. For new handgun owners who want a dependable firearm with comfortable ergonomics, generous capacity, and a proven reputation, it continues to be one of the smartest choices available in its price range. It is a pistol that allows beginners to build their skills with confidence, while providing the versatility to remain useful long after they have gained experience. Stoeger STR-9. If you're searching for a dependable first handgun that delivers solid performance without stretching your budget, the Stoeger STR-9 deserves far more attention than it often receives. While it may not generate the same headlines as some of the bigger names in the industry, this striker-fired pistol has quietly built a reputation for reliability, comfortable ergonomics, and excellent value. Selling for roughly $270 to $330 across the American market in July 2026, the STR-9 gives first-time handgun owners an opportunity to own a well-rounded defensive pistol without sacrificing quality. It combines a modern design with user-friendly handling, making it an excellent choice for shooters who want one handgun for range practice, home defense, and even occasional concealed carry. Chambered in 9mm, the STR-9 features a 4.17-inch barrel, an overall length of approximately 7.44 inches, weighs about 24 ounces unloaded, and includes a 15-round magazine. Those dimensions provide a full grip that helps reduce felt recoil while giving shooters better control during rapid follow-up shots. The grip angle feels natural, and the aggressive texturing keeps the pistol firmly planted in the hand without becoming uncomfortable after extended shooting sessions. New owners often appreciate the longer sight radius because it makes precise shot placement easier while reinforcing proper shooting fundamentals. The striker-fired trigger offers a smooth take-up with a clean break and a positive reset that allows consistent performance, whether practicing slow, deliberate shots or working on faster drills. Reliability is another area where the STR-9 performs well. Manufactured by Stoeger, a company backed by the same corporate family as Beretta and Benelli, the pistol benefits from strong engineering and dependable construction. It has proven capable of handling long practice sessions with quality factory ammunition, while requiring very little maintenance. Field stripping is quick and uncomplicated, replacement magazines are reasonably priced, and the accessory rail gives owners the option of adding a weapon light for home defense. While the pistol does not have the enormous aftermarket enjoyed by Glock-compatible platforms, most shooters purchasing their first handgun are unlikely to find that limiting during the early years of ownership. Of course, there are a few trade-offs. The trigger, although smooth, is not quite as refined as some premium competitors. Optics-ready models are less common, and aftermarket upgrades remain relatively limited. Brand recognition is also lower, meaning the STR-9 is sometimes overlooked, despite offering excellent real-world performance. However, those factors do little to diminish its overall value. What matters most is that the pistol is accurate, dependable, comfortable to shoot, and affordable enough to leave room in the budget for ammunition and regular practice. For new handgun owners who prioritize reliability and practical performance over flashy marketing, the Stoeger STR-9 represents one of the hidden bargains in today's firearms market. It is a capable all-around pistol that proves a lesser-known name can still deliver the confidence and performance first-time buyers need. Smith & Wesson SD9 2.0. Closing out our best first handguns for new owners category is a pistol that comes from one of the most respected names in the American firearms industry. The Smith & Wesson SD9 2.0 builds on the reputation of the original SD series, while introducing meaningful improvements that make it an even stronger choice for first-time buyers. With a typical street price ranging from about $300 to $350 in July 2026, it offers dependable performance, modern ergonomics, and the confidence that comes with owning a handgun, backed by decades of proven manufacturing experience. For new owners who want a pistol that feels familiar, shoots comfortably, and requires very little maintenance, the SD9 2.0 is an excellent place to start. Chambered in 9mm, the SD9 2.0 features a 4-inch barrel, an overall length of approximately 7.2 inches, weighs about 23 ounces unloaded, and ships with a 16-round magazine. The full-size grip provides plenty of space for a secure two-handed hold, making recoil easy to manage even during long practice sessions. New shooters often find that the balanced frame and comfortable ergonomics help them maintain consistent accuracy while learning proper trigger control and follow-through. The aggressive grip texture offers excellent retention without feeling overly rough, and the low-bore axis helps keep muzzle rise under control for quicker follow-up shots. One of the biggest improvements over the previous generation is the trigger. Smith & Wesson refined the trigger pull to provide a smoother take-up, a cleaner break, and a more positive reset, creating a noticeably better shooting experience for both beginners and experienced owners. The pistol also features durable steel sights that are easy to acquire, a Picatinny accessory rail for mounting a weapon light, and a corrosion-resistant finish designed to withstand everyday use. Reliability is exactly what buyers have come to expect from Smith & Wesson. The SD9 2.0 runs consistently with quality factory ammunition, field strips easily for routine cleaning, and benefits from strong factory support, along with readily available magazines and replacement parts throughout the United States. While it may not offer optics-ready compatibility or the enormous aftermarket found on Glock-style platforms, it delivers everything most first-time handgun owners actually need in a dependable defensive firearm. There are still a few compromises worth mentioning. The trigger, although much improved, is not as refined as dedicated competition pistols, and the overall design favors durability over flashy styling. Some shooters may also prefer interchangeable backstraps for a more customized grip fit. However, those are relatively minor concerns considering the pistol's affordable price and excellent overall performance. The Smith & Wesson SD9 2.0 succeeds because it focuses on reliability, simplicity, and real-world usability rather than unnecessary extras. For anyone purchasing their very first handgun, it offers the reassurance of a trusted American brand, combined with the accuracy, durability, and ease of use needed to build confidence from the very first range session. It is a practical investment that new owners can continue relying on for many years to come. Springfield Armory XD Mod 3. Kicking off our best budget upgrades, worth every dollar category is a pistol that proves spending just a little more can deliver a noticeably better shooting experience. The Springfield Armory XD Mod 3 takes everything shooters appreciated about the long-running XD series and refines it into a modern package with improved ergonomics, upgraded features, and dependable performance at a price that remains surprisingly affordable. In the American market during July 2026, the XD Mod 3 typically sells for between $300 and $350, placing it within reach of buyers who want to step beyond basic entry-level pistols without entering premium territory. It is an ideal upgrade for shooters who have already developed solid fundamentals and are ready for a handgun that offers greater refinement while remaining practical enough for everyday use. Chambered in 9mm, the XD Mod 3 features a 4-inch hammer-forged barrel, an overall length of approximately 7.3 inches, weighs about 23 ounces unloaded, and comes with a 16-round magazine. The full-size grip provides excellent control, allowing shooters to manage recoil with ease, while maintaining fast and accurate follow-up shots. Springfield also reshaped the grip texture to improve comfort without sacrificing traction, creating a pistol that feels secure in the hand, whether practicing at the range or using it for defensive purposes. The natural grip angle encourages quick target acquisition, while the longer sight radius helps shooters achieve consistent accuracy, even as distances begin to increase. One of the standout features of the XD Mod 3 is its refined trigger. The striker-fired system offers a smoother pull and a cleaner break than many budget competitors, making precise shooting easier for owners who have already mastered the basics. Springfield also includes its well-known grip safety, adding an additional passive safety feature without slowing down normal operation. The pistol features durable steel sights, an accessory rail for lights or lasers, and a corrosion-resistant melanite finish that holds up well under regular use. Reliability has long been a hallmark of the XD platform, and the Mod 3 continues that reputation by cycling smoothly with a wide variety of factory ammunition while requiring minimal maintenance. Field stripping is simple, magazines are widely available, and Springfield Armory continues to provide strong customer support throughout the United States. There are still a few considerations before purchasing. The XD Mod 3 has a slightly higher bore axis than some competing striker-fired pistols, which can result in marginally more muzzle rise during rapid fire. Aftermarket customization is also not as extensive as Glock-compatible platforms, although it remains more than sufficient for most owners. Even with those minor trade-offs, the overall package is exceptionally difficult to criticize at this price point. The XD Mod 3 offers a level of refinement, comfort, and reliability that clearly separates it from many basic budget handguns while remaining affordable enough for everyday shooters. If you are ready to move beyond your first pistol and invest in something that feels more polished without dramatically increasing your budget, the Springfield Armory XD Mod 3 is an upgrade that truly earns every dollar. Beretta APX A1. If you're looking for a handgun that delivers premium features without the premium price tag, the Beretta APX A1 is one of the strongest values available in the American market during July 2026. Frequently selling for between $300 and $380 and often available with manufacturer promotions or dealer discounts, this pistol offers far more than its price would suggest. Built by one of the oldest and most respected firearm manufacturers in the world, the APX A1 combines modern styling, proven reliability, and excellent shootability into a package that feels like a significant step above many entry-level options. For shooters ready to upgrade from a basic handgun, it represents outstanding value that can easily serve as a long-term defensive pistol. Chambered in 9mm, the APX A1 features a 4.25-inch barrel, an overall length of approximately 7.6 inches, weighs about 29 ounces unloaded, and comes with a 17-round magazine. The larger frame provides exceptional stability during firing, making recoil feel smooth and predictable while allowing faster follow-up shots. The aggressively textured grip keeps the pistol firmly planted in the hand without becoming uncomfortable during long practice sessions, and the interchangeable backstraps allow shooters to tailor the grip to different hand sizes. These ergonomic improvements help create a pistol that feels natural the moment it is picked up, whether the shooter is practicing slow precision shots or running defensive drills at the range. One of the biggest advantages of the APX A1 is the collection of modern features included from the factory. Many versions come optics ready, allowing owners to install a red dot sight without additional machining, while the improved striker-fired trigger delivers a cleaner break and shorter reset than the original APX. The slide serrations are deep and aggressive, making manipulations easy even with wet hands or gloves. Beretta's cold hammer forged barrel contributes to impressive practical accuracy, and the pistol has earned an excellent reputation for reliability, with a wide variety of factory ammunition. Field stripping is quick and uncomplicated. Maintenance is simple, and Beretta's long history of military and law enforcement firearms gives buyers additional confidence in the platform's durability. There are a few compromises to keep in mind. The pistol is larger than many concealed carry handguns, making it better suited for home defense, duty use, or range shooting than deep concealment. Aftermarket support, while steadily improving, is still smaller than what Glock owners enjoy, and the overall slide profile may feel slightly bulky compared with some competing designs. Even so, these are relatively minor trade-offs, considering everything the APX A1 offers at its price point. It delivers excellent ergonomics, generous capacity, modern optics compatibility, and dependable performance from a world-renowned manufacturer for hundreds of dollars less than many competing duty pistols. If you're ready to upgrade to a handgun that feels more refined while still respecting your budget, the Beretta APX A1 is one of the smartest investments you can make. Mossberg MC2c. When most shooters hear the name Mossberg, they immediately think of reliable shotguns. But the company's MC2c has proven that Mossberg can build an outstanding handgun as well, sitting comfortably in the $330 to $400 price range across the American market in July 2026. The MC2c offers an impressive blend of concealability, shootability, and modern features that make it one of the best value upgrades available today. It is an excellent choice for handgun owners who have already mastered the basics and want something more refined without stepping into the premium price bracket. Whether your priority is concealed carry, home defense, or frequent range use, the MC2c is versatile enough to handle all three roles with confidence. Chambered in 9mm, the MC2c features a 3.9-inch barrel, an overall length of approximately 7.1 inches, weighs about 21 ounces unloaded, and ships with both a 14-round flush-fit magazine and a 16-round extended magazine. That flexibility allows owners to choose between easier concealment or additional capacity, depending on the situation. The grip is slim, yet comfortable, providing excellent control while maintaining a profile that conceals more easily than many full-size pistols. The aggressive texturing locks the pistol securely into the hand, and the low-bore axis helps reduce muzzle rise, making fast follow-up shots feel natural even during rapid strings of fire. One area where the MC2c really impresses is its overall refinement. The flat-face striker-fired trigger delivers a smooth pull, a crisp break, and a short tactile reset that encourages accurate shooting. The optics-ready slide on many current models allows owners to mount a compact red dot without expensive aftermarket modifications, while the bright white dot sights provide an excellent sight picture straight from the factory. Mossberg also designed the pistol with an innovative safe takedown system that allows the handgun to be field stripped without pulling the trigger, adding an extra layer of safety during routine maintenance. Reliability has been consistently strong with quality factory ammunition, and the pistol continues to earn praise for running cleanly through extended range sessions with very few issues. Like every handgun, the MC2c is not completely without drawbacks. Its aftermarket support is smaller than platforms such as the Glock or PSA Dagger, and finding specialty accessories may require a little more searching, Shooters with very large hands may also prefer a full-size grip for extended range sessions. However, these are relatively minor compromises considering the pistol's overall capability. The MC2c combines comfortable ergonomics, generous capacity, modern features, dependable reliability, and excellent concealability into a package that costs far less than many competing carry pistols. For shooters looking to upgrade from a basic entry-level handgun without overspending, the Mossberg MC2c delivers premium performance where it matters most and easily earns its place among the best budget upgrades worth every dollar. Canik TP9 SF Elite. If there is one handgun that consistently surprises shooters with just how much performance it delivers for the money, it is the Canik TP9 SF Elite. Over the past several years, Canik has earned a loyal following by offering pistols that compete with firearms costing hundreds of dollars more. And that reputation continues in July 2026, with a typical street price ranging from about $330 to $400. The TP9 SF Elite has become one of the best budget upgrades for shooters who want premium performance without premium pricing. It is a handgun that feels equally at home on the range, in a home defense role, or carried every day, making it an outstanding all-around option for owners ready to step beyond entry-level pistols. Chambered in 9mm, the TP9 SF Elite features a 4.19-inch barrel, an overall length of approximately 7.3 inches. Weighs around 29 ounces unloaded, and includes a 15-round magazine. The compact frame provides an ideal balance between shootability and concealability, allowing the pistol to handle like a larger-duty gun while remaining practical for everyday carry. The ergonomics are excellent, with interchangeable backstraps that help shooters achieve a more customized grip. Combined with the aggressive texturing and well-balanced weight distribution, recoil feels remarkably soft and controllable, even during rapid fire. One of the biggest reasons shooters recommend the TP9 SF Elite is its outstanding trigger. Right out of the box, the striker-fired trigger offers one of the cleanest breaks and shortest resets in its entire price category. It provides a level of consistency that helps both new and experienced shooters produce tighter groups while making fast follow-up shots feel effortless. The pistol also includes high-visibility sights, an accessory rail for mounting lights, and durable construction that stands up well to thousands of rounds of regular use. Reliability has become another defining characteristic of the TP9 SF Elite. It cycles smoothly with quality factory ammunition, requires very little maintenance, and has earned an excellent reputation among civilian shooters, instructors, and competitive shooters alike. Field stripping is simple. Magazines are widely available, and Canik continues expanding its aftermarket support with optics-ready variants, upgraded accessories, and replacement components. While the pistol is packed with value, there are still a few compromises. Its slide is slightly bulkier than some competing compact pistols, and although the aftermarket support continues to grow, it still does not quite match the enormous ecosystem surrounding Glock-compatible platforms. Some concealed carry users may also prefer a lighter handgun for all-day comfort. Even so, these minor trade-offs are easily outweighed by everything the TP9 SF Elite offers. Exceptional trigger quality, comfortable ergonomics, proven reliability, generous capacity, and outstanding practical accuracy combine to create one of the most complete handguns available anywhere near this price range. If you're searching for a pistol that feels far more expensive than its actual cost, the Canik TP9 SF Elite is one of the best budget upgrades you can buy, and a handgun that continues to exceed expectations every time it reaches the firing line. SCCY P17C. Finishing our list of the best budget upgrades, worth every dollar is a handgun that has earned tremendous respect among experienced shooters for combining duty-grade reliability with outstanding value. The SCCY P17C may sit at the upper end of today's budget category, but with typical street prices ranging from about $350 to $400 in the American market during July 2026, it offers performance that rivals many pistols costing hundreds more. For buyers who are ready to make one final upgrade without crossing into premium pricing, the P10C is often considered one of the smartest purchases available. It is a handgun built for serious use, yet simple enough for newer owners who have already developed solid shooting fundamentals and want a pistol they can confidently rely on for years. Chambered in 9mm, the CZ P10C features a 4.02-inch cold hammer forged barrel. An overall length of approximately 7.3 inches, weighs about 26 ounces unloaded, and comes with a 15-round magazine. The compact dimensions strike an outstanding balance between concealed carry comfort and full-size shootability. The grip is one of the pistol's strongest features, featuring aggressive but comfortable texturing, along with a natural grip angle that allows the handgun to point instinctively. Interchangeable backstraps help shooters achieve a customized fit, while the low-bore axis keeps muzzle rise to a minimum, allowing fast and accurate follow-up shots even during demanding range sessions. The trigger is another reason the P10C has earned such a loyal following. Right from the factory, it delivers a smooth take-up, a crisp break, and an exceptionally short, positive reset that many shooters consider among the best available on any striker-fired handgun in this price class. Combined with highly visible steel sights and excellent mechanical accuracy, the pistol inspires confidence whether shooting slow precision groups or practicing defensive drills. Reliability is equally impressive. The P10C has demonstrated excellent performance with a wide variety of factory ammunition, and its robust internal design has made it a trusted option for law enforcement agencies and civilian shooters around the world. Field stripping is straightforward. Maintenance is uncomplicated, and CZ's reputation for quality manufacturing is evident throughout the entire pistol. While aftermarket support may not be quite as extensive as Glock-compatible platforms, it continues to grow every year, giving owners access to quality holsters, sights, triggers, and other accessories. The only real drawbacks are that the slide can feel slightly stiff during the initial break-in period, and replacement magazines generally cost more than some competing brands. However, those are relatively minor concerns when viewed against the pistol's overall capability. The CZ P10C delivers exceptional ergonomics, one of the best factory triggers in its class, outstanding reliability, and true-duty pistol performance while remaining comfortably under the $400 mark. It perfectly demonstrates that spending just a little more can reward buyers with a handgun they may never feel the need to replace. If your budget allows you to reach this final category, the CZ P10C is a purchase that truly lives up to the phrase "worth every dollar." That wraps up our look at some of the best affordable handguns available in the American market this July 2026. From budget-friendly trainers that help build confidence, to dependable first handguns for new owners, and finally the best value upgrades that deliver premium performance without the premium price. No matter your experience level or budget, there has never been a better time to find a reliable handgun that fits your needs. We'd love to hear from you, so let us know in the comments which pistol you'd choose, or if there's another great value handgun we should feature in a future video. If you enjoyed this guide, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your fellow firearm enthusiasts, and subscribe for more honest reviews, buying guides, and the latest firearms content. Thanks so much for watching, stay safe, and we'll see you in the next video.